What's up, YouTube? This is Lise Be Fit here with a unboxing of the Dare to Dream video creator kit from Canon. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this a long time to be delivered from UPS. So I was excited to finally meet him at the door to be able to get this. So we're gonna go right along here, get this open. Don't mind me, I was having a little bit of trouble there. And we're gonna get this open so we can see all of the goodies inside. So the first thing we see at the top, and I was so happy to see, is a memory card, SD memory card, UHS 1 and 32 gigs, which is cool with me to start off with. I'm excited that I can get to taking videos and pictures and I don't have to wait and try to go find it and things of that nature. So one thing you want to remember with the T7i, it does take the UHS 1 card, okay, not the UHS 2. UHS 2 will not work to my understanding. Don't mind me again, I was having some difficulties here trying to get this open. And the next thing we see, man, so cool, so cool. We know we want some good audio, and it comes with a Rode video mic that connects at the top of your camera in the hot shoot, okay? So you can slide it in there, tighten it to secure it, and then plug it into the mic jack there on the left hand side of your camera and really experience some great audio there. So again, that's the video Rode mic. And look what we have here. Oh my goodness, it's the box with the goodies in it. So we got the camera, we got the mic, we got the memory, so that we good to go. Now let's get to the unboxing of the unboxing. EOS Rebel T7i by Canon, you all. Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth, NFC. Just a really phenomenal product here. It has the flip screen. It has a lot of great features that I really looked and researched for a long time. And now I'm happy that I did go ahead and get this model, that I did go ahead and invest. And I'm excited to see where it goes. So let's go ahead and get down to this part here. And this is going to talk to us about what's all in the box. We have the lens kit. So remember, this is a kit, meaning it comes with it's different types of kit you can get. This one came with the 18 to 55 millimeter lens, as well as with the Rode video mic. So let's get up in here. We got some warranty paper on top that I will read just a little bit later. And then we have our manual, our slim thick manual. And look, I promise I will read you. I will read you. I will read you. Even from what I researched, read your manual. You want to get to know your camera? Read your manual. I will do that. Next, we have our register your EOS camera with Canon that I will do as well. And now let's get to the goodness. Oh, look at me rubbing my hands. The good. We have the LPE17 battery pack here, packaged up all nicely, and I'm just messing it all up, taking it all out, and we'll get you charged up here and ready to go momentarily so we can get to snapping pics. And all right, let's get to our next item up in here. We have a bubble wrap. This comes with your package, y'all. Look at all this bubble wrap, pop paper, whatever it's called. Tell me in the comments what it's called. I like to pop it. We'll pop it later. But we got some of the good in here, a little bit of the good. Our lens, yay! It is the Canon 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It has image stabilization, which is pretty cool. So I'm excited. Really nicely packaged there. Oh, and then we have our handy dandy Canon camera strap. I've seen mixed reviews on this, but I'm happy to have it. I'll use it. And we also have some more bubbly paper. And we have our LCE17 battery charger. That is packaged real good, looking real smooth. Pop the battery in and plug it right into the wall. No cord. Pretty dope. I like that. Oh man, y'all, don't this feels so good in my hands. It just feels phenomenal. And we have, man, I was hesitant to take this out, but we have the big deal, real deal here, and that is our Canon EOS Rebel T7i. This thing is gorgeous. It's so beautiful, y'all. I know you think I'm being extra dramatic. We got our flip out camera view angle thing there. Sorry if I don't have all the lingo right, but it does turn, it does flip. You can record yourself. You can it's a touch screen as well. It helps with the dual pixel with the focusing and things of that nature. It's pretty dope. So I'll have to say everything in a full review, and I also will add any updated or correct names as well as the video goes. But I mean, it looks good. It has a hot shoe. It has our button on the front, flash button, and everything like that. It has the Wi-Fi, so it feels good. Got some good weight to it. It looks good, and I'm excited to get going and to see how it works and how everything handles. It has our mic jack over here. Also, it has a HDMI port and a USB port as well on the left hand side there. So I mean, I really think this camera has a lot of great features to it. I know that there's cameras close in the same price range, $200 to $300 difference. This was best for me, and I'm excited to get started with it and start shooting some video and some photos and things of that nature, and really test out the quality of this camera. And in a minute here, you guys will be able to see some of the shots I took. So yes, that is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i coming with the Rode Video Mic Go 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So check out some of these pictures that I did take on this camera of the duckies, of Valentine's Day, of hey, that's the life. Put me in some cheese, I'll be all right. But I hope you all truly enjoyed this unboxing of the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. I want to share this with you. This channel was mainly, or will mainly be, for fitness and my faith and fitness weight loss journey, and this is the camera, one of the cameras I'll be using to do so. This video was recorded with my iPhone 7 Plus. So hey, like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and give me some feedback if you would. I love y'all.